how to enable and set up portable hotspot on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Now, tap Connections. Next, select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Mobile Hotspot, then turn on the toggle at the top to enable it. If you want to customize your hotspot, tap Configure. Here, you can change the hotspot name, set a new password, and choose the security option. Make sure your password has at least 8 characters so other devices can connect securely. Once you've finished, tap Save. Now, other devices can connect by selecting your hotspot name and entering the password. You can also see the list of connected devices from the mobile hotspot screen. That's it. Your Android is now ready to share its mobile internet with other devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.